Hello, everybody. I am Janen from Drona HQ, and I would like to share what we have been doing since last 10 months. And at Drona HQ, we believe that the world needs a better way to build applications. We believe that for a lot of applications, you do not really need people to write a single line of code, and these transactional applications can be built in a matter of days rather than in the matter of weeks or months or even years. And we believe that if there is a way in which these applications can be made faster, together we will be able to push this world in a direction wherein a lot of data which is getting organized in your backend systems can now be made available to the people who really need that data. And in order to achieve this, a lot of IT systems and a lot of IT teams have been struggling to meet up with the demand that they really have. And in order to achieve, to amplify their entire business, to automate their entire systems, they need there is a need for a tool that will enable them to build applications in in a way which is much more efficient than what is currently existing in the market. And if I have to compare, there are two lines of ways in which businesses today are organizing their data. Either they are doing it in Excel or they are making applications for it, full-fledged applications. And of course, there are third off-the-shelf ready applications which do exist, like Salesforce.com and Oracle and SAP and the business suites and all these things. But in between all these pieces, you still have dozens of applications which are there in the IT queue for people to go ahead and make it. And in an absence of any good tool that probably these companies and these IT teams have, they end up doing things in a traditional way. And that makes the entire job of building and churning out these applications in a much more sluggish way, or rather that is the way things have been happening since almost a decade, from 2002 all the way to 2018. But in 2019, I think our team has been really been focused in working on how do you accelerate this process, how do you make businesses who are using Excel sheets right now as a stopgap solution or as a primary mechanism to run and conduct those part of their businesses which are not getting touched by ERP or CRM or HCM or any of these big applications which they are already invested in. And in order to achieve this particular thing, if they are going to Excel, there are things that Excel is not really helping them. And if they go to an IT, there is a huge struggle. So, what we are at Drona HQ, we have been very, very focused on how do you get your interfaces right across devices? How do you make universal interfaces? However, we realize that we have been traditionally been only connecting to the backend systems which really exist at the workplace, but that is not enough. So in we have been giving now tools to make your visual applications much more faster, and also we have taken up the initiative of giving you ways in which you can organize your data in a much more simple and elegant manner, something like an Excel sheet. But on the front end, you can again have a universal access in a beautiful looking way of giving and this particular access to information to the end users, right? If it is a customer application, be it banking customer applications or be it field force applications, be it anything, you can give an access to this organized data in a much more simpler and meaningful manner to the end user. B, we have also taken up mechanisms in which this information, there can be business rules that can be written on top of it so that you can maintain the sanctity of your business. So, for example, you do not want certain data to be seen by certain set of users. How could you go ahead and do that? So that sanctity has also been given due importance. And as a business user, you can set those rules and you can even define a lot of different conditions and into your application. See, an extremely important point. we've seen a lot of business applications also have business rules which are kind of workflows and that demand that there are certain set of approvals that go through before any transaction can be completed. And Drona HQ, we have been very sharply focused on these kind of requirements, and we have taken into cognizance that a lot of business applications would need these kind of mechanisms in which workflows etc could also be created. So part C of our tool has been focused on workflows, which allows people to engineer their processes and kind of wire it up, stitch it up together along with the interfaces, along with the data, and combined with the workflow. Drona HQ promises that from 2019 onwards, you can really speed up the entire work of building complex applications of complexity of level 10 in a matter of weeks that you can churn out and you can give it to your end users. So we are extremely delighted to announce this, and by 2019 we are nearing the launch of this particular tool. We'll be soon opening it up for beta users to come and start exploring and start building their tools. Early users will get enough credit so that they can actually think about building production systems, and of course they can take it to them to their users, customers, or partners, anybody. And we'd love to see how is this really shaping up to help you build applications at scale. So looking forward. Thank you very much.